Hi guys, I'm Joanne. Today we'll be talking about PIC, Productivity and Innovation Credits. This is a scheme available for all businesses for a 5-year period from Year of Assessment 2011 to Year of Assessment 2015. What is PIC? It is a scheme that encourages businesses to invest in productivity and innovation. On the expenses incurred for these activities, you get to claim for a huge amount of tax deduction or opt for the cash payout. How much tax deduction? You can enjoy up to 400% tax deduction on a maximum of $400,000 each year for each activity, meaning enjoying a tax deduction of $1.6 million. And if your spending for this year is lower, you can choose to combine your expenditure with other years to enjoy the maximum benefits. The combined caps are useful if you are planning to make a large investment in any one year. What about cash payout? If you prefer to have cash instead of tax deduction, you can convert up to $100,000 of your expenditure into a maximum cash payout of $30,000 or $60,000 per year of assessment. You get to combine your expenditure caps for Year of Assessment 2011 and Year of Assessment 2012, so it will be useful if you have made any big investments during this period. You are entitled to claim a maximum expenditure of $200,000 and get a maximum cash payout of $60,000. As announced in the 2012 budget, this cash payout scheme has been further enhanced. The cash payout rate has been increased from 30% to 60%. However, the expenditure cap for this year of assessment cannot be combined with future year of assessment. Interested in getting the tax deduction and cash payout? Well, it's not difficult. Here are 6 categories of qualified activities. They are acquisition or leasing of PIC automation equipment, training of employees, registration of patents, trademarks, designs and plant varieties, research and development activities, acquisition of intellectual property rights, investment in design projects approved by Design Singapore Council, acquisition or leasing of PIC automation equipment. For new companies or for existing companies, getting automation equipment is like a frequent thing. And what's better now is, government is paying a part of the cost for you. There's a long list of qualified PIC automation equipment. So if you have bought any of this recently, it's good to check if you can claim back a part of your expenses. And even when it's not stated on the list, you may apply to IRAS to have your equipment approved on a case-by-case basis. Examples of PIC approved automation equipment are image or graphics processing equipment, digital printing, scanner, image setter, data processing and information technology equipment. Examples like the mini computer, laptop, mobile phone. Data communications and networking equipment. Examples like the network processor, servers, routers. Information technology software. Examples like the office system software used in connection of any office automation service. These are just a very small part of the approved equipment. For the full listing, you may refer to IRAS website or give us a call. Training of employees. Many times we send our employees for training, upgrading their skills and at the same time stimulating growth for the business. One of the best ways to encourage individuals is through training opportunities. Sending employees for training actually helps them in developing new skills, increase in networking, and arm them with the ability to develop new and creative ways of solving old problems. And now, government is actually encouraging training for all your employees, regardless if they are locals or foreigners. Under the PIC scheme, you can choose to have tax deduction or opt for the cash payout on the expenses incurred, so long it's paid to an external training service provider. And if you choose to have your training in-house, you are still entitled to claim for the training expenses, up to a spending cap of $10,000 for each year of assessment. Registration of patents, trademarks, designs, and plant varieties. When you have an invention, you definitely want to prevent others from using the invention without your permission. In this case, you need to register for a patent. Where you have a name or logo that distinguishes your business goods and services from other traders, you need to register a trademark, for you wouldn't want to see any names or logos that are similar to yours anywhere else. To increase Singapore's attractiveness as an international intellectual property holding location, you can now claim for the acquisition or registration fees incurred. Research and development activities. Where your company is dealing with research and development activities, meaning any study that is carried out in the field of science or technology, with the objective of acquiring new knowledge or using the results for the improvement of products. Some examples of qualifying R&D expenses are using new materials to improve functionality of existing products. Product developed is patented. An innovative product which is the first of its kind in Singapore. To invent a new drug that cannot be readily produced by a competent professional in the relevant field. Expenses such as staff costs, consumables, incurred for these R&D activities are claimable for enhanced tax deduction or cash payouts. Investments in design projects approved by the Design Singapore Council. Government aims to encourage pervasive and continuous design innovation in companies in Singapore. And certainly the outlook of a product or industrial design is important. And now engaging a designer is better than ever. Apart from the higher sales resulting from the attractive outlook of your products, you also get to claim for the manpower costs and invoice amounts. Examples of products qualified are tools and equipment, household products, furniture, jewelry, toys, and packaging. If you require more information on how to claim, what to claim, and when to claim, you may refer to IRA's website, or if you are not into reading, then give us a call or drop us an email, and we will be glad to assist you. I hope you find our videos useful, so stay tuned as we have got loads to share.